This is the definition of vowel. If the mouth passage is left so open as not to cause audible friction and voice breath is sent through it, we have a vowel. This is the definition provided by Professor Sri. Consonants में क्या था? There was some audible friction in any part of the mouth, lips, but in vowels there is no friction in any part of the mouth. There are 12 vowels in shorthand. Vowels are represented by dot and dash. 4 vowels in first place, 4 in second place, and 4 in third place. This is a diagram: vowel, dot vowels, dash vowels. Dot vowels, heavy dot C, light dot C. Dash vowels, heavy dash is T and light dash is T. First we have to do long vowels. 12 vowels, 6 long vowels. Name of the vowel: A, E, A, O, and O. When we are speaking to these vowels, there is a heavy sound. Just for example, pa. So like basically it depends upon a sentence. Pa, may, we, all, go, to. Pa is a heavy sound. May is also a heavy sound. When we are pronouncing the word may, it is a heavy sound. आपकी आवाज लंबी जाती है. बी, इसमें भी ई लंबा जाता है. ऑल, इसमें भी लंबा जाता है. गो लंबा है. एंड टू आल्सो नो. Sign. Which signs are allotted to represent these vowels? First 3 with heavy dot and the last 3 with heavy dash. Pa is represented with heavy dot, may is represented with heavy dot, and B with heavy dot. O and U, these are represented with heavy dash. But the place, I think you should be aware of the places of consonant. आपको places of consonant बताए थे. The beginning of the consonant is the first place, middle point is the second place, and ending point is the third place. So in this way, first vowel, which is called A, it will be at the first place, A at the second place, E at the third place. All at the first place, O at the second place, and the U at the third place. Then place and position will be decided according to the sound of the vowels. And position, if it is first place vowel, it will be written above the line. If it is a second place vowel, it will be written on the line. And the third place vowel, it will be written through the line. And in this way, these 3 dot vowels are represented above the line, on the line, through the line with heavy dot vowels. And the last 3 are represented with heavy dash vowel. First is above the line, second place is on the line, and third place is through the line. Through the line matlab we have to cut the line. These are the examples. L is silent, A is vowel, M is also a consonant. Then it will be written above the line. Ka. The vowel will be placed at the first place. Then wait. B is a consonant. T is also a consonant. But A is what? A ही बोला जा रहा है, T कहीं नहीं है. Wait. It will be written on the line. B and T. Vowel will be placed at the second place. Then E. E is a vowel. L is a consonant. Then we have to written E. Then ball. B is a consonant. A is a vowel. L is also a consonant. Then ball. B and L. Ball. Then road. R is a consonant. Q is also a consonant. O is a vowel. It is not pronounced. So we have to read. So it will be written on the line. Then pool. P is a consonant. L is also a consonant. Q is a vowel. It will be written through the line. Pool.